It's another new day, and we've got another new BMX build. Today's a Federal Hamilton. So I picked up this frame recently, and it's got original paint. The head tube decal is original. I think the other decals are reproduction ones. The frame is stamped Hamilton 205, so I'm not sure whether that refers to the 20.5 top tube or the year 2005, but either way these frames were, I think they were around 2005 to 2008. So nice original condition. So we stuck on some Odyssey forks, S&M XLT stem, some old slam bars, some old profile cranks with a DK sprocket, a couple of alienation wheels. Really nice looking bike this. Getting pretty rare now. It's a Federal Hamilton Pro 20.5.